Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to Dream Academia. This is Orkoprabha Acharya from Jadavpur University Electrical Engineering Department, and in this video we will be discussing some of the latest facts and information regarding the most important engineering entrance examinations and their probable dates. So this one is going to be a very important video, so do watch the video completely because it contains loads of information. And guys, also do leave your ideas in the comment box regarding which we should be making more and more videos so that it can help you in the future.
एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक दीजिए पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा ऐसा नहीं चलेगा.
So guys, the most important exam of the lot, that is the Joint Entrance Examination Advanced 2021, the JEE Advanced, which is supposed to be conducted by IIT Kharagpur, has now been postponed indefinitely till further notice. Now this was very much anticipated given the fact that the JEE Main, that is the Joint Entrance Examination Main 2021 attempts of on April and May have already been postponed indefinitely, keeping in mind the safety of the students. So, and it was already told that the new dates of examination will be informed to you some 15 days prior to the examination. So it is not shocking that the JEE Advanced should get postponed. Now regarding the new dates will anyway depend a lot on the new day or the date sheet of the CBSE Class 12 examination, which is supposed to be announced sometime very soon. Now, given the current situation in India due to the COVID-19 pandemic and the black fungus situation, so we can't have an exam at least in June. So I think that if the CBSE examinations are scheduled sometime in July, then you can also expect the JEE main attempts of April and May will also be scheduled sometime then only. That is in July and August. So you can approximately assume that the Joint Entrance Examination Advanced 2021 may be held sometime around end of August or September. This is a very much unofficial claim, and it is very much based on the facts that we have gathered regarding the CBSE examination. Everything depends appropriately on the CBSE date sheet and consequently the JEE main dates only. So guys, the next important examination is the West Bengal Joint Entrance Examination WBJE 2021, which is as of now scheduled on 11th of July 2021. Now the calculations for the date of this examination becomes a bit complex. I will be placing all the facts that I have before you and I will keep the discussion transparent as far as I can. Now the first important the fact is that the COVID-19 pandemic and the black fungus situation. The situation in India now is absolutely terrible. Vaccines are not easily available for the 1844 age group, and medical facilities are now in a critical situation. And there is almost a lack of any facilities that we can find. Oxygen cylinders are not available, and medicines are on a shortage also. And now in this situation, it is very difficult to for the students also to take the pressure of an examination. In fact, last week one of my classmates in school succumbed to COVID-19. So I don't know if students can at all manage the pressure of exams and COVID-19 plus if this is the right time to conduct an examination. Now that is as far as COVID-19 is concerned. And in fact, we can also we note the fact that in West Bengal the lockdown restrictions have been increased till June 15 as of now. So in this situation, it will be very difficult for students also to travel if the restrictions continue. So that is as far as COVID-19 and related lockdowns are concerned. Now coming to point number two, the JEE Main 2021 and the consequently JEE Advanced 2021 have been postponed indefinitely till further notice, and the new dates will be informed to you some 15 days before the examination. So in that case, if national level important examinations like JEE Main and Advanced can get postponed, so I also think that WBJEE also deserves to get postponed because it also involves some 1 lakh candidates directly and their family members also indirectly. So in that case, it won't be a wise situation to have WBJ in the month of July if the JEE main is not held in that situation. Coming to point number three, which appears in strong disagreement to the first 2 points. That is the WBCHSC, that is West Bengal Council of Higher Secondary Education, which conducts the higher secondary examination for the class 12 boards of the West Bengal board. has clarified that they are going to conduct the examinations for the class 12 boards in the towards the end of July. And in that case, if those exams are conducted, then I should understand that the month of July is being considered and kept on cards for holding any form of examinations. So in that case, if WBCHSC continues to hold the examination towards the end of July, then you can also be sure that WBJE may be held towards the middle of July on its stipulated date, maybe. Because if one exam is held, then you can also presume that the other exams will be held. And WBCHSC, that is the class 12 board exam, is a large scale examination involving some around 10 lakh students. So if that can be held, then WBJE can also be held. That is point number three. Keep that in mind, because it is also a very important fact, and WBCHSC is very important from the counseling point of view also. Now, going to point number four. This point also appears in the strong disagreement to the first 2 point. Now, in this point, I am going to highlight the fact that if WBJ is postponed further, then it can have a dire effect on your academic year. Given the fact that WBJ is an offline examination, so it will take a lot of time and is a lengthy process from the date of examination to publication of results and further counseling. So if WBJ is postponed further, then the date of proclamation of results and for further consequence will also be delayed a lot, and it will also create a delay in the academic year, and your academic year will may get rescheduled, and some you might be lagging behind the IITs and NITs because JEE Main and advanced are online examinations. So the delay is not much in publishing their results. So that is also a factor which will be kept in mind by the WBJEB while postponing the examinations, if at all. So guys, I have placed four different facts on the table as of now. Number one, the COVID-19 and the black fungus pandemic which is raging in India currently. Number two, the indefinite postponement of the JEE Main and Advanced 2021. Number three, the decision of the WBCHSC to conduct the class 12 board examinations towards the end of July. And number four, the consequences which you can face if WBJE gets postponed further based on your academic year next year. So if you weigh these four consequences together, then it is very difficult to suggest the possible outcome whether WBJE will get postponed or not. So what I would suggest is that don't assume anything. Be prepared that the examination may be held on 11th of July. If it gets postponed, then it's okay. Then you are getting extra time, relax and study. But you should also not be caught unprepared if the examination is announced on 11th of July. So, if you were to ask for my personal opinion, then I should think that the examination might not be held in on 11th of July. It might be held towards the beginning of August. That is completely my opinion. I am reiterating that fact. It wait till the official statement is released. Till then, you should not assume anything. I'm again telling that fact only. But then, what I think is that if the examinations are not held, then it will also result in a huge increase in confidence, an increase in competition, I should say, because all the people are getting time to study. So yeah, what you should do at this point of time ideally is that you should practice a lot of mock tests daily and keep in touch with your entire syllabus. And because the only way to manage the entire syllabus is through mock tests. You cannot study each and every chapter daily. What you need to do is, after solving one test, you need to go through the detailed solutions of each of them. In that case, you will be getting a thorough revision of each chapter. And now, one thing I will be saying, which I say in every video, is that these examinations can never get cancelled. It will only be postponed. So someday you have to sit for this examination. Remember that fact. And you have been studying and preparing for this examination for, say, at least 2 to 3 years. So if you are not, if you lose your confidence in these last few days, then what will happen is that all the efforts, time, money which you have spent for the last 2 3 years will all go in waste. So what I am trying to say is that don't lose your confidence at this point of time. Don't take too much stress. Relax. Talk to your friends. Stay by your family members. Keep yourself motivated. And most importantly, but through mock tests, keep yourself in touch with the syllabus. We have also launched the WBJ 2021 mock test. based on the latest syllabus. You can also participate in that if you want to test your preparation. That is very helpful. We have also launched the crash course. You can go through those videos daily to build to revise each and every chapter which you want. So that is what is needed at this point of time. You I don't have any other sessions, but I will bring a detailed video on the latest strategy to ace these examinations in the last few days. So that is all from my side. Stay safe, stay healthy, and drop the examinations with Dream Academia. Dream Academia is always there by your side to help you in any form, be it academically or mentally. Just keep the confidence on yourself that you will do well, and leave the remaining to God. You will always do well. So thank you very much for watching this video. Do like and share and subscribe our channel.